Welcome to your BIM tip of the day. Today, we're talking about making your Revit families truly useful. Not just pretty geometry, but data superheroes. A 3D family in Autodesk Revit isn't just a collection of shapes. It's packed with data that's waiting to save the day for everyone on your project. If your family can't be scheduled, filtered, or used during project handover, it's basically just digital decor. Every family should carry a mission. Make sure yours does. Time for action. Pick one 3D family in your project. Just one. Let's make it count. Ask yourself, will this help a quantity surveyor with takeoffs? Or help the FM team during handover? If not, let's fix that. Add at least one property or parameter that someone downstream will actually use. For doors, maybe fire rating or room function. For lights, try wattage or maintenance interval. Make it relevant. Now, put your family to the test. Can this new property show up in a schedule or handover document? If yes, give yourself a gold star. Remember, think of your family like a smart Lego block. Geometry is fun, but metadata makes it work for everyone. Keep building smart.
Okay team, that's a wrap. Go crush your day. Make those ideas happen, and keep the good vibes rolling. See you in the next session. Stay bold, stay brilliant.